get it. I just need to just flip around like I want it to do. It would be all gravy. It would be all gravy. You'll think it'd be nice you just drop it off in there and that's that, but you actually gotta get that something off in the hole and then twist it. I'm about to get it. I'm about to get it. There we go. Now, that is will be number 4. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 4 will be 3, 3, 6. Like I said, they got 2 holes on it, but I only just gotta make sure it go over one because the block only got 1 hole in it, so I gotta make sure that it go in that 1 hole. It's real tight up in here too, guys. I ain't lying. It's real tight in here. It's real tight. And the hole is pretty wide, so you ain't like gotta actually line the hole up with it, cause it's actually wide. It's real wide off in the block. Then the actual bearing. I'm gonna make sure I got it on there. I just want to make sure I got that hole exactly where I want it, cause I don't want to have to knock it out, re-knock it out. I'm probably see from over here. Yeah. Can see what I'm dealing with. Keep the bearing there. I got that where I need it to be. Yeah, I know some noise be by me knocking on this song on. I know it's a noise. And I'm being careful when I put it through there, not to move the bearing as I put my tool through. You better check it. I got it lined up with the hole. It ain't. I can knock that some more. Knock that in some more. I ain't here about to the hole. But I got the hole and everything lined up perfect. Got everything lined up perfect. And I'm thinking that it gonna line up with that top of that tube. That's what I'm thinking. Cause I'm to the hole, but not quite to the hole. And I still got a whole lot of room on top of that. On top of that, the tube. First time doing this. My first time actually doing this. First time actually doing it. And I'm doing it the right way that it's supposed to be done. That's exactly where I want it to be. They also say you can get a shine a light down this hole. Where's my camera like that? Shine your light down this hole and you should be able to see it on the cam. I mean on the thing down here, the piston ring. I don't see how that go work, but that hole I think it curves. But I got it perfect solid in there. It's in there the way it's supposed to be. Now, me getting it back out of here. Now I actually know how to do it because I put that in there. Easy. 338. 338. I got it in there perfect. It's not hard to see the hole. See, it just moved in. Let me make sure that is where I want it to be. Yep, that's exactly where I want it to be. I got that in the perfect spot. After this one, I got 2 more to knock in, guys. I got 2 more to knock in after this one. I'm gonna show y'all the result to it. Make sure they don't move. Check it. And this actually keep you from scarring up your your bearing, the cam bearing. Putting the scuff marks on them when you're installing them. And they actually got where the old bearings to be at, seated at. So I'm gonna stop at that reference, cause we all know it came like that from the factory. That's how it come. Just a little more, not much. I think we'll have it. Yep,